Hey, and welcome to Chapter 2 for the Streaming Transactions project. We're going to look at our repos. We're going to also star our favorite repo. You can see I have one already created, so I'm going to use that one. And then I'm going to choose the latest branch. Version 1.0 is the branch that matches the book. Anything beyond that is going to be any sort of typos or small minor updates, no changes to functionality. So when you get in here, you're going to choose a cluster. Any of the ones specified in the text are fine. Early on, our projects are small and not using a lot of compute power. So the smaller cluster that's recommended at the front of the book is going to be ideal for this project for now. Remember, when watching these videos, this is just to check that your output really matches our output at the time of publishing. And so we're not going to walk through the code and talk about the functions or anything like that, but feel free to watch these and make sure that your output looks the same in case you ever run into an issue and you're wondering what's going on.